Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to show your region to everyone on Facebook using your PC with the latest updates. Knowing how to manage your profile details is essential for connecting with your community and controlling your online presence. Let's dive right in. Here are the steps to make your region visible to the public on Facebook. 1. Open Facebook. To begin, go to your preferred web browser and enter facebook.com. Log in with your credentials to access your homepage. 2. Click on your profile photo. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your personal information is displayed. 3. Enter your profile, then the About section on your profile page. Navigate to the About section. This is where you can find and edit various details about yourself, including your current city or region. Next to your region, click on the audience icon in the About section. Find the Places Lived area, which lists your current city or region. Next to your region, you'll see an audience icon. This icon indicates the current privacy setting for who can see this information. 5. Choose Public. Click on the audience icon. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different visibility options, such as Public, Friends, Only Me, or Custom Settings. Select Public to ensure that everyone can see your region on your profile. 6. Click Done. After choosing Public, click the Done or Save button to confirm the changes. Your region is now visible to everyone who views your profile. Making your region public can help you connect with local groups, events, and friends in your area. It also personalizes your interactions by ensuring the content you see is relevant to your region. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media effortlessly.